Hey guys, what's going on? Patrick with VentureXplorers. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get one of your pods onto a trailer and get out on the road camping. These are the tracks that have already been installed. This comes standard if you're putting it on a trailer system or if you have a van that you're going to be putting it in. So you're going to line up these wheels with your tracks and it's going to guide it right on in, almost hands-free. So now that we got the pod somewhat up in the air and above the trailer, we got it lined up with our tracks. We're gonna go ahead and lower it down and we're gonna get this thing slid on. Here's our jacks right here. It jacking up and down. We'll go ahead and lower this thing down. But before we do, we gotta plug in our generator or plug into 110. Now we're gonna take our 110 outlet, we're gonna plug it in here, like that. Here is our switch assembly for our jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 and 3 are going to be the back legs, 2 and 1 are going to be your front legs, and then all legs as well. So now that we got the front legs and wheels in its tracks, you can go ahead and pull it on, push it on, which is usually done by 2 people, or since like how we have a winch system on the front of this trailer here, we're going to go ahead and use this for a little bit easier application. So on all of our pods, front and back, we have a loop right here. This is going to be your winch loop. So now that we have the winch hooked up, we got it lined up, we're going to go ahead and lift the 2 front legs up off the ground and unhook our wheels. So now with just our quick disconnect pin, I'm going to push the button in, slide it out. So now just for a little bit more extra security, we're going to take these arms and put them right up against the trailer edge. Just like that. Now we're nice and secure. We're going to go ahead and get these straps strapped up, head down the road. I'm going to show you guys exactly how easy it is to get it off of the trailer and then back into a van. And guess what? She's gonna be helping me. We're gonna take this and slide that into that van. First, we gotta take it off here. We're just gonna easily push. It's gonna go real easy. Right there, perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna lower the back 2 jacks while Rachel hooks up the wheels at the same time. So this is our wheel setup here. We're gonna take it, just gonna swing this inside here. Make sure that the jack is exposed to where you can get this hole, your safety pin. You're gonna slide this up in, and slide your pin all the way through. So you can continue dropping your jack until this is completely off the trailer. Now that I've showed you how to load and unload on a trailer, I'm going to show you how to do it with a van. So instead of using a winch system to pull it up onto the trailer, we're going to actually use the van to our advantage and back it right on up to the unit. Alright, so now that we got the van up to the pod, we're going to go ahead and set our wheel locks here. Now that we got the pod most of the way in, got it nice and lined up, we're going to suck the back 2 legs up and put the entire load in the van. So now that we got the pod all the way in, we're gonna hop inside. We're gonna hit that all down button and lower the jacks so all 4 jacks press up against the floor of the truck. Tighten down those straps, that way you know it's extra secure. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you on your next Venture Explorer. Yeah.